Is Derek J. Freeman, and today I'm going to teach you how to download your own Ripple wallet and configure it so that you can receive any kind of digital commodity, in this case, gold. We're going to begin by going to our favorite web browser and typing in anypay.io. Once there, click on the top right-hand corner of the screen, says Ripple Desktop Wallet, and download the wallet that's right for your computer, in this case, Mac OS X. For me, there's also a Windows version. Now, I've already downloaded this program, so I don't need to, but once it's finished, you just open up the DMG file, click and drag into the applications folder, and then open. It's going to look like this. Present you with a few options. You can create a new account, select an account file, in which case you've already got one saved on your computer. I have several, but in this case we're going to open a new account. And we're presented with a few more options. We can create an empty account or create a new account with a secret key. If we've lost our account file originally, we can create a new one using the secret key. But for us, we're going to create an empty account. And we can name it anything we want. In this case, I'm going to call it Test Wallet, and make sure that I save it somewhere that I can find it easily, like the desktop. Once I do that, I'm going to create a special password. And encrypt the account. Now, it's going to present me with a secret key, but it won't show that secret key right away because I might be surrounded by some people with prying eyes. So I make sure that I'm someplace safe, double check that no one is around, and then I'll say, show secret key. It asks me again just to be sure, am I in a safe place where no one can see the screen? Yes, show me. And then I'll write it down somewhere safely, or in this case, I'm going to open a text document and save it there. And I'll write it down later. So yes, I've saved my secret key, and you see it opens up with a balance of 0 XRP. That's the currency of the Ripple network. And in order to fund the account, in order to activate it, it needs to be funded with at least 20 XRP. So in this case, I'm going to open up my mail program and send myself an email that includes the Ripple address. This is also a great way to save your Ripple address someplace safe. Of course, this is a public address, so there's no harm in people knowing what your address is, unless, of course, you want it to remain anonymous, which it certainly can be. So the reason I'm sending myself an email with this address is because I'm going to fund the account with some Ripple that I already have on my phone. So on my phone, I'm copying and pasting the address that I just sent myself, opening up my Ripple client, the XRP app, which you can get on the iPhone or Android stores. And I'm just going to paste it in to the recipient account text box on the app and type in the amount to pay. In this case, it's going to be 20 XRP. Click to confirm, and I've submitted my payment. In any second, like right now, instantly, the desktop client updates my balance with 20 XRP. And it even includes this notification letting me know that someone sent me some XRP, and it includes that in my history. Now, our account is active, and we want to create what's called a gateway. We're going to do that by skipping over these send and trade buttons and going right to fund. If you want to learn more about gateways, you can click that link and learn more, but for simplicity's sake, we're just going to click the gateway button and then connect gateway. Now, you have to know your gateway's Ripple address. I've already got the San Francisco Gold Depository's Ripple address handy, so I'm just going to copy and paste that into the window. And what currency do I want to create with this gateway? Gold, represented by the symbols XAU. I'm going to click Save. And the desktop client notifies me that I am connecting a gateway, which means that that address can hold XAU or gold on my behalf. I'm going to click Confirm. It's connecting the gateway, and it shows me the balance. I'm holding gold in the amount of 0. Now that means that this address is able to send to me XAU, not just XRP, but actual gold representatives, and that can be displayed here. You can see that a negligible amount of Ripple has been deducted from my account, and in order to create that gateway, and my gold balance is 0. Now, if the San Francisco Gold Depository were to, say, receive some gold from me, or receive some Bitcoin, or some other commodity which it values, it could send me gold. That's all I've given it authority to do, is it can send me gold. And that's it. Now it's set up. And let me show you what it looks like for a different account. If I were to close out of this, open up the Ripple client, want to open up that account or a different account. Let's show you one that already has some gold in it. And instead of test wallet, I'll share with you my own personal wallet. Now, similarly, I have a Ripple balance and gold balance. Now, this is not represented in XRP, but instead ounces. So this is representing ounces of gold. I hope you found this tutorial instructive. You can learn more by searching InstaGold in your favorite search engine. Thank you.